I'm going to show you how to easily use the Canvas app. Now, it works the same on Android and iPhone. You can see it's called Canvas Student. If you don't already have it, you should get it because it makes life a lot easier, I'll be honest. But once you do have it, you can open it and you'll be brought to this interface right here after you log in to your student account or just account in general. And you'll likely see a few different courses on your home screen. You can see these are the classes I'm currently in. And in the bottom of the screen, we actually have the option called Dashboard, which is what we're on right now, Calendar, which you can actually see your upcoming assignments and so on, depending on the due date. You can see I don't have any at the moment for these dates. To-do options, which will show you what you have to do by this X amount of date and X amount of classes. Notifications, which is basically just notifying you about upcoming deadlines and just things that have been done and turned in the past. And inbox, which is all of your emails. You can only email people that are on your server basically. So you probably couldn't email your @gmail.com email on here. You actually can't. It's set to a limited amount of people depending on your school and education system. If we go back to Dashboard right here and click on one of these classes, all you want to do to use it is you can see it's basically broken down into a couple different sections. Now, it may look a little bit different depending on your teacher. It's not exactly the same. But announcements is basically all the upcoming stuff, and modules is basically where you can find all of your assignments as well as the dates for the assignments with these little nice drop down tabs. And if we drop down the tab, you can easily click on one of these assignments and actually view more of the details within it, whether that be a reading or just a rubric for an assignment in general, like if we click on this one. And you can see if we swipe back onto the side, we can actually go into discussion. Now, discussion is basically just a discussion of comments and videos that you can leave on other people's posts in your class. And if we scroll to the bottom, we can see more resources. Now, not all classes have the exact resources that I have. This is just individually made by the teacher. And you can see if we go into this class over here, it's a little bit differently organized. As you see, if we click on assignments, it'll just show that I have a lot fewer assignments and so on, just on this page right here. Now, if you do want to log out, what you do is you click on the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner, and you can actually log out or go into files if you want to see files on your account. Now, you cannot rearrange this app's interface on your phone. You can easily drag and hold these to move them up and down the order, but that's kind of all you can do, and it's really easy and simple to use. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.